Can I try?
Nabe tomato for aqua.
Okay.
Do you see good chindi?
Dalo.
Yeah.
Get him a tie.
Yeah.
Cut
Cut
the
it
last
into
one.
half. Make sure the half is equal.
That was fast.
And then you flip it like this. Okay, flip it like that. Then cut it like this.
Okay, thank you.
And then you cut it like this.
Wow.
Be careful with the akago. You have to hold it. Pay attention.
Before you cut yourself. Then when you're done, you slide them like this. You slide them with the knife, like how I did it.
Mm-hmm. What about this one?
Yep, you do the same thing.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I did. And I can do the last one.
The mixing.
Yeah, I can do the mixing.
Okay.
I have to hold the fork. I want to try.
Ooh, that one looks good. Or you can use the fork to crack it. Then crack it more. Crack it more. Okay. Make sure to not that. Oh my gosh.
Like, I think I have to crack it more.
Okay.
No, I do the mixing.
And then I do it.
Let's do the mixing.
Do you want your
Then can I do it?
today feel haka?
Yeah, you can do it, Chinde.
Now then we add the.
You can mix it more.
Can I try Chinde? After. Okay, you can try now. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Daddy, I let Chinde have a turn. Put the tomatoes in. Oh yeah, now we're adding the salt.
So can you hear now?
Salt.
Let's sing salt.
Okay.
And then curry powder and then onion powder.
Okay.
Just like mommy taught me when I was 7.
7? Oh yeah. So can I try putting the
Oh
salt
yeah,
in?
it's still there. Yes, a pinch of salt. I took another pinch.
So now we
Okay.
mix it.
Okay.
No, we don't mix it yet. We have to put curry powder.
Let's add onion powder next.
No, yeah.
What about it? What's it, bro?
Then we add onion powder, which is
Whoa, now we start mixing it. Can I try actually?
yeah.
Whoa.
Don't taste it, Kanechku.
It's so good. 600.
Let's see the milk in it.
Tinga tomatoes.
Okay.
Oh, I asked if I wanted to put them in. Can we at least have a turn?
You can pour the thing inside.
Oh, okay. So
Do I put it
I
in?
have to stay over here.
And do you mix it with tomatoes?
Yes.
They're a bit chunky.
Yeah, a bit chunky, of course.
Okay. Is it good?
Hmm?
I did on math.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Then the oven. Now I put.
So you see this thing here? That's where it's supposed to cook, and then you Then you put this between the 6 and the medium.
So it's just like that.
And then you add oil
Yep. You add.
to sizzle.
So you have to add the vegetable oil. How about you take it out, Tunde? Just a little bit of that.
Let's go.
Now,
We let the oil spread everywhere to get all the edges.
now, what do we do next?
We wait.
Until we hear the sizzling.
And then once you hear the sizzle,
Now
put
you
the
put
eggs in.
Yes.
And then you change it to low every minute.
Yes. Every minute.
Bye. I'm gonna laugh from mommy when I was 7.
That's. Away.
These already, now we're putting them away.
Here.
Onion powder, curry powder,
And salt
and salt.
is last. Which I will
And
do.
then you will reduce the heat every time.
I'll do one more.
Okay. And then,
I do it.
you said I can. Okay. Then we pour the eggs.
No, I do it. Cindy, right? I'm supposed to do it.
Cindy, Ray, you said I was supposed to do it. Then
I see the edge is already turning into eggs.
oh, that's magical.
So magic.
The edges are sizzling. Good.
We
So
have to
then-
flip it over to see if it's done. Make sure you be careful because the pan is hot.
Actually, excuse me. So do you know to whip? Then to reduce the heat, you put it between the 4 and the medium, so that when it sizzles, it doesn't burn you. Just that looks yummy. Then you wait. Then you turn it off because now we identified eggs, scrambled eggs for breakfast.
Mommy's going to be so happy.
You just wait for it to sizzle very well. Then you can eat it with anything you like. Out from the pan and put it, and now it is ready to eat.
Look at this, eggs.
Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Look, how?
Thank you, Chef Chimdede and Chef Kenechukwu.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Come see. Chef